Hey there! If you've accidentally cracked the front glass of your Amazon Fire HD10 tablet and are wondering how to fix it, you're in the right place. In this guide, we will walk you through how to fix front glass on Amazon Fire HD10 tablet. Having a cracked screen can be frustrating, but with the right tools and steps, you can restore your tablet to its former glory. So let's dive in. Step 1. Gather the necessary tools. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary tools and parts ready. You will need a replacement digitizer screen for the Amazon Fire HD10 tablet, a small Phillips screwdriver, plastic opening tools or a guitar pick, adhesive tape or glue, a heat gun or hair dryer, and tweezers. Having these tools at your disposal will ensure a smooth and efficient repair process. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Find a clean, flat, and well-lit workspace where you can easily organize your tools and safely work on your device. A clutter-free environment aids concentration and reduces the risk of losing small screws or damaging parts. Step 3. Power off and open the tablet. Ensure your Amazon Fire HD10 tablet is completely powered off before beginning any repairs. Using the plastic opening tool or a guitar pick, gently pry open the tablet's back case. Start from one corner and carefully work your way around until the back cover is completely attached. Be gentle to avoid damaging any internal components. Step 4. Detach the old screen. Once the back cover is off, identify and disconnect any cables connected to the digitizer. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the old screen in place. If your screen is firmly adhered, use a heat gun or hair dryer to melt the adhesive, making it easier to remove the screen. Gently lift the old screen away using your fingers or tweezers. Be cautious as broken glass can be sharp. Step 5. Install the new screen. Carefully align your new screen with the tablet frame. Attach the necessary connectors and ensure they are secure. Use adhesive tape or glue around the edges to seal the digitizer in place. If using adhesive, give it some time to dry before proceeding. Step 6. Reassemble your tablet. Now, reattach any screws you removed earlier and snap the back cover of the tablet into place, starting from one side and working your way around. Double check that everything is secured properly and that there are no gaps. Step 7. Test your repair. Power on your Amazon Fire HD10 tablet and test the new screen's responsiveness. Ensure the touch function works seamlessly and that there are no issues with display quality. Everything looks good, congratulations. Just fix the front glass of your tablet. There you have it, your comprehensive guide on how to fix front glass on Amazon Fire HD10 tablet. Remember, careful preparation and patience are key to a successful repair. With a bit of effort, you can save money and extend the life of your device. Best of luck with your repair and enjoy your good as new tablet. With a bit of effort, you can save money and extend the life of your device. Best of luck with your repair and enjoy your good as new tablet experience.